So let us create a campaign together, and I will explain the things along the way, and then we can talk about those things which are self-explanatory, but we will talk about them. So once you are ready, just click on create button here, and you have the many campaign goals. So it depends on your goal. So for example, you can generate leads, drive conversions. Now for driving conversions, you actually have to create Microsoft, go to Merchant Center. So either by importing from Google or just creating from scratch. We also have awareness. I don't recommend awareness on any platform unless you have a big budget, because actually awareness just means that people see your ad. There is no actionable steps, because what these platforms does actually, so basically they act exactly as you tell them. So awareness is just awareness. It's just that people will be familiar with your brand. So we have conversions. This one is for selling products, and this one is for promote your app, or you can skip it. So let us say that we want to get more leads, and we have audience or search. So audience, target your ideal audience in the right place at the right time, or search, get in front of interest customers through search or search intent powered display. So let us go to audience and continue. So this is the URL. So let us use our agency's website, and it says we are generating AI powered asset recommendations for you, and here are their recommendations. So let us choose, or you can upload. It says you can add up to 16 images per, which is a lot. We don't want to use all of the information. So let us choose this one, and we can also use a logo. So if you are not sure, you can use add 5 different logos, and each logo can have both 4:1 aspect ratio or and 1:1 aspect ratio, which you can use any designing softwares, and also you can use Canva to create the exact size for you. And here are some created headlines for us. So it says drive real growth, tangible results, grow with us. This is actually bringing from our website. So you can use this information, or you can change it and make it your own. We also have recommendation headliners. So if you are not happy with this one, or you don't want to type by yourself, you can just type. Just use one of these recommendation short headliners. And also we have long headliners. And again, AI, they have used AI to help us bring data from our website. So it says turn clicks into measurable business growth, turn digital clicks into this one is not very good. So we can try a different tone. So for example, inspiring, drive growth from digital clicks. Actually, this digital clicks doesn't make sense, but let us leave it like this. We also have recommended long headlines. So for example, we can choose this one. So it says find similar long headlines, revise it, or try a new one. And for the descriptions, again, AI has helped us to create descriptions, but you have to be very careful with the descriptions, with the headlines, with the long or short headlines, because it will actually make a difference when you are running ads. So you have to let people to know exactly what you are trying to, how you are trying to help them. And also it gives us the recommended the description is here, and this is the business name, and it's exactly right. So we have the call to action and the language. So this is not a translation. This is actually if your website is in English, just make sure that you are choosing English. And action text. So you can, this is just a call to action. So for example, let us call chat now, or you have the advanced settings for mobile URL if you have a different one, or advanced URL options. So for example, tracking templates. So if you want to track, find final URL suffix, this is good for Google Analytics. We won't be using any. And also impression tracking. So this one for the third-party tracking options such as volume or other platforms. We also have third-party measurement. So we do not have any. So if you are using a third-party partners, you can actually tag the URL here and add it. We are not using any of it. So here is our ad. It looks like this. And this is the audience network. And this one is from the wide image. And this is the MSN single carousel. And this is the MSN partner stripe, MSN resto day, Microsoft Audience Network rectangle, and this one is web desktop outlook, and this is the mobile web outlook. If you are happy with the outcome of your ad, just save. You can create another ad, or you can click on save and go to the next level.